Look at this. Oh.
We're taking a look back at the national baby trials, the exhilaration of triumph, the heartbreak of defeat. And joining me to review this exciting package is the 8-time Olympic gold medalist, Usain Bolt.
I'm excited to be here to see these future stars.
First up, we have the 110 meters hurdles. Looking serious. The bubble gun is raised, the bubble pops, and they are off.
That's a good start, I must say. What's happening now?
They're taking a nap. All right, she's off.
Approaching the last hurdle. Clean again. Oh, yeah. Brilliant stuff.
Number 2 is number 1.
Look at that. Kiss to the fans who she knows love her very much.
And we have our first competitor. And oh, the frustration.
Oh my God.
The weight of expectation, even more than the implement itself. And chucks the weight away, yeah.
I know it's pain, man. I know it's pain. I've been through it and it's just tough.
This competitor has chalk everywhere, you say?
Everywhere.
Is this a warm-up routine, you think?
I don't know much about weightlifting, but we're gonna see.
Look at the form. One-handed.
One-handed.
Oh.
A little bit of showboating, but impressive, I must say.
She must have bought your playbook and read it. There you go. Impressive stuff, though. Next, football. Let's get right to the action. Oh! Drinking from the sippy cup. And there's a consultation. Is it about the juice or about the goal?
I think it's about the juice.
First competitor comes up.
Oh, beautiful.
Absolutely so. And oh my goodness, the ribbon has fallen out of her hand. But she's back into her routine.
What score is that?
It's a backward 7. There you go. Time now to move to the long jump.
Here she comes. Nice short strides and excellent form.
And here comes our next competitor.
Getting to the plate, and this is a new technique. It's a fall jump.
And oh, heartbreak. All right, Barbados is next. Sippy cup is there.
Yeah, of course, stay hydrated at all times. And they're off. Oh my God, and she's out like a bullet.
What about those behind struggling in her wake?
They're struggling, but they're not giving up.
But yeah, the Bajans must be proud of this moment. It was a golden performance. These young athletes proudly represented their countries, and I have no doubt we've just seen the gold medalists of tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to all these athletes going to the biggest stage and to performing for their country.